ANC came in 1910, traditional leaders were there. They even contributed to the establishment of the ANC. So we can't now think, ngoba sesi yabona sinama, how are you? I'm fine. We think we are better than anybody else. We are not. We will never be. There has always been order in Africa. I always say it. Order has always been there. So in order, we don't, no white person came and found Africa disorganized. Africa has always been organized. There has always been structure. There has always been the one that leads. And in the transition, as we introduce democracy and other things, we tend to think, and then we arrived, and then Chief Justice, I solemnly confirm and makes me better than Inkosi. I can never be.